I'm sad I don't have my nails done. Seriously. Hi over there and welcome to this YouTube channel. So, in today's clip, I've done this look which is sequency based, diamondy, icy, winterish. Like I've seen this whole trending going on within Instagram, ouch my nails, where people would use sequences, studs, whatever, out my nails to basically do this kind of looks, and I think this is a wearable look for me outside. If I'll go, I don't know, out for a drink, and to be quite honest with you, if the rain stops, I'm actually gonna go like this out to go for shopping. I think this is the simplest thing I've ever tried. It's so easy and I'm so annoyed the camera doesn't do any justice to the sequences. They're extremely reflective, which gives them a quite expensive feeling to them. So, although I don't like I have a ponytail because I don't feel it suits me, I'm still gonna jump into the video like this to allow you to see the process of me doing this look. I'm gonna start off with doing my eyes first, and no surprise, I'm using again Blue Blood. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Catrice Liquid Camouflage. So now I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm going with shade I'm Cold. I hope you can see it. It's this bluish pastel-y shade. So I'm, swirling my brush in it, tapping off the excess and put it really up into my crease. This time I'm doing a cut crease. I have not done one in like ages. So today I'm doing it. That's what I'm trying to say, to kind of like have like a cat eye sort of shape to it. So now I'm gonna go actually with the same brush with Cullinan, which is the most intense, blinding, shimmery shade, and I'm daring to go a teeny tiny bit down than the blue, and yeah, I'm just gonna put that in the crease. I know people say don't put in the crease shimmers and things like that, but today I'm breaking the rules. I'm putting it in the crease just a bit lower than the actual blue, so I'm trying to not get it all the way there. So I'm going back and forth to build the intensity, and I'm taking another brush, fluffy, and going with I'm Cold again, just at the ends to blend the two of them. Now I'm gonna clean the edges with some wipes. Ta-da! Nice and crisp. Now I'm gonna cut the crease with the same concealer from Catrice. And I'm taking a flat brush if I'll have one clean. Great. I'm just placing a teeny tiny bit like this. And this time I'm gonna take a really close mirror. And what I like to do is look straight. And when I see that line, I kind of like follow it. And I tap rather than drag because I have eyeshadow underneath this time. And I don't want to move it to the point where it's going to combine the concealer with the shades. And now I'm dragging it just like that. I wanna have it clean over there. I'm not doing like a half cut crease and stuff like that. I'm just literally cut creasing the whole bit. And this time I'm gonna set it with Priceless, with a flat but fluffy brush. It has a peach undertone, but it's really close to the skin tone, so that's why I'm using it. I've changed to a pencil brush because I can get closer to the edges without, like, making sure I'm not disturbing my look. I'm not happy with how orange that is, I'm not gonna lie. I had Wealthy. How stupid I am. I had Wealthy. Look at that, it was just literally there. Okay, I can... It seems like it works on top of it. yeah, don't go with Priceless, go with Wealthy, because I forgot I have that shade, which is obviously my skin tone. It really depends on your skin tone. Maybe Priceless is gonna work. If you have a tan, because it's really warm. Okay, so basically because I've done that, now I have some depth to my crease, which I don't mind. Now I'm actually gonna jump into my brow routine because it's just, I don't like how it looks without it. So I am using now this B Longwear Brow Cream in shade Mid Brown, combining it with the Revolutionpro Mixing Liquid Drops. Now I'm gonna take a thin brush. I wanted to take an angle brush, but I don't have now. So I'm gonna go with Blue Blood, and actually what I'm gonna do is a liner really close to my lash line. I'm gonna actually do my face now. I'm not gonna talk through the process. I decided that it's a bit getting like boring for the people who are actually watching me constantly, which I'm not necessarily sure if all of the people are, the 123 subscribers I have. However, if they do, they're gonna get annoyed again because I genuinely use the same kind of like similar routine, but at the same time I want to show people who are coming to this channel what I'm doing. So I'm gonna fast forward you, I'm gonna show you the products along the way, but I'm not gonna talk through. So let's start. Let's bring it on. Also, if you're interested what I am using, since I'm not gonna talk, that's going well. I am leaving all the time every single name of the product in the description down below, along with its name, its shade, whatever. Just because I'm gonna cut the footage, obviously, I'm not leaving this to bake for too long. I only leave it like maximum 1 minute, because otherwise it's going to be wrinkly for my liking. So going back to my underneath eye part, I think I'm gonna go with the cyst, just because I feel I should put a darker color underneath my eye. And I'm also gonna go again with Cullinan at the beginning of it with the same brush actually, because I don't mind if it's going to pick up a bit of a bluish undertone. I'm trying to keep it very close to the lash line. I don't want to go too crazy. Now I'm gonna go into the fun part, and you need some sequences. I got these ones from Primark. 2 of them were £2, which I don't think that's bad because it's like £1 for each, kind of like rounded thingy. I also am going to use Duo Strip I don't know how to pronounce that word, so I'm gonna just say lash glue. I'm gonna use lash glue. This is something I got from Amazon. And it's a stud, like, sequence picker. And the reason why I got it is because this rubber helps you out to pick the pieces very easy, and this one helps you out to push them. So initially I'm just gonna start applying the glue wherever I feel I'm gonna put some studs. So now I'm just gonna place them. Be careful with this, like don't necessarily push too hard, just kind of like tap, because obviously the lash glue, it's gonna get tacky for after a couple of seconds, so that's why leave it a couple of seconds to get tacky and then place the studs. I'm gonna use this Pout Matters Matte Lip Color Makeup Gallery lip shade, which is matte. I decided to go for a matte because I think it's going a lot of shine all on my eyes, so I'm gonna keep it matte. And this is in shade Latte 2. This is my favorite. I have backups of it. And now I have to put some mascara. I'm gonna use the Paradise Ecstatic from L'Oreal. Not gonna lie, I'm not obsessed with this mascara. It's alright, but I have other options that I love more. I know that's an unpopular opinion, but that's just my opinion. So this is how it looks like. I think this is an extra really cool makeup on holidays. I think this could be an option. I hope you enjoyed this clip, you found it useful and relevant. I upload on Instagram at more julypiesqueen, and Thursdays always I'm here on YouTube. If you wanna see content regarding makeup tutorials mostly, but also product reviews, then definitely hit that bell button too, because sometimes I do post on Thursday and maybe another day. I always make sure Thursday's up, it's there for you to watch. That's about it. Realistically speaking, I hope I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.